Yakında olsan, yakında olsan oğlum o tuş görme kaldı.
Lock it, feel it, call it, find it, view it, code it, jump and lock it, surf it, scroll it, pose it, pick it, cross it, crack it, switch, update it, name it, read it, tune it, print it, scan it, send it, fax it, edit it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Use it.
Oyna oğlan, oyna oğlan. Oyna, oyna. Ne bunlar?